super insane. So keep watching the video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to download it. It totally works. It's super cool. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Dark War Survival. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm pretty poor right now, but in the mod menu, I can actually get unlimited rubies. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. So let's see if our rubies start increasing. So as you can see, currently I've only got 735, which is pretty bad. It's not really enough to do much in the game, but hopefully it starts increasing and then we're going to be rich. So let's see what we get on our Dark War Survival account. And no, there's no change, unfortunately. Yeah, it's working, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. Works on iOS and Android, so let's get straight into the video. And I'm going to show you guys how to get this Dark War survival hack so you can be rich. So let's go. So the first step is going to be going to the browser, and all you have to do really is just go to this website. It's called tweakmod.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Dark War Survival, press install. So before the mod downloads is going to be verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up, as you can see. All right. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So if you guys are interested in having a Dark War survival hack for your device, this is how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see, and it's just going to come up, and basically it will say like missing files. So as you can see, we got all the apps here, so you just want to download 2 of these. So as you can see, like Travel Town, Family Island, you got to reach level 11, so I could do that one. Or I could do like, TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds, Scanner, follow instructions on the next page. So these are really easy to do, guys. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're going to be all set. And that's how to get Dark War Survival Hack in 2025 for both iOS and Android, guys. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.